Southern Medical Association has seen a huge interest in POCUS, point of care ultrasound. And we've had some nice webinars and lectures at various seminars on pulmonary and cardiology and hepatology and even emergency medicine. But perhaps you could outline the scope of musculoskeletal ultrasound and what that might encompass, please. That would be great.
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks so much for the invitation. I think the comparison would be arthroscopy. Every day I feel like other people are describing new uses for arthroscopy. Now we're doing, arthroscopic SL repairs and arthroscopic Latarjets, and you name it arthroscopically. And the same is true of ultrasound. We're finding more and more uses as we become more and more accustomed to using it and the technology gets better. So at least in my practice, I use it for everything from diagnosis of peripheral nerve compressions. You can use it to look at foreign bodies or ganglions or masses. You can look at flexor tendon repairs and make sure they're still intact, or you can look at nerves and see if a laceration has cut a nerve. I use it a lot for treatment with respect to injections. So I don't think you have to use it, but I use it for my subacromial shoulder injections. It's really nice to put an injection in the bicipital groove. I think that's a little bit hard to do blind. I use it for CMC injections. Again, you can argue whether or not you actually need ultrasound guidance. I use it a lot for looking at tendinopathies. So we all know patients have a tendinopathy, but it's really nice to confirm it with ultrasound and make sure nothing else is going on. So as I said, I think the more that I get accustomed to using ultrasound, the more uses I find for it every day in clinic.
I think that's true for most things. The more we use it, the more we become expert at it and then find additional uses. So
thank you for tuning in, and I hope this conversation has given you a preview of what's ahead at SMA's annual scientific assembly in Houston this year in November. We've built an engaging program designed to inform you, inspire you, and connect you with colleagues. Visit sma.org or scan the QR code to explore the full agenda and register. We would be delighted to have you join us.